Hello friends! Today we are in this beautiful city in the south of Spain, Cordoba, and we are heading to the orange tree garden because there is a curious thing. Some workers from the city hall are here right now in full swing picking the oranges from the trees that are in this famous place of Cordoba. As in all of Andalusia, in Cordoba there are streets and courtyards in every square and many orange trees. You might think that is great and that here you could pick the oranges from the trees for free without having to buy them. So you would have orange fruit dessert for free. The collection system, as you can see, is manual and men pick them with sticks because the original orange tree has many thorns. It is normal for people and tourists who come to Spain for the first time and see all those oranges on the trees to ask themselves that question. Someone pick an orange and try to eat it. Why not? If it is free and they are just waiting me? And that is when after trying it, they are surprised that the orange has an intense bitter taste that makes it impossible to eat. It's not that it's bad or rotten, you just can't stand the taste in your mouth. Please let me know in the comments if this has ever happened to you. I bet you can't eat one of those oranges whole. The original orange tree is an ornamental tree that produces type of bitter orange. The oranges we buy in the supermarket are a variety of sweet oranges that have been created through grafting and transplanting. Every year there is a collection of oranges from the trees in the cities because otherwise the oranges end up falling to the ground, staining everything. And from these bitter oranges they make orange marmalade, which is widely consumed in England. Many tons of oranges are collected from the trees in the city. The orange tree is a beautiful tree that, in addition to providing shade and being pretty blooms in spring, leaving a wonderful aroma in the city. Join me on this tour of the streets of Cordoba and its orange trees.
So, if you come, if you visit Andalusia, you will find waterfalls, major streets. Do you know, would you take one to eat or no?
O sea, como
Por eso es que tanto que me estamos
Pero ya
sí.
por aquí mismo.
Por aquí. Me dejó nada de
Podemos pasar con permiso.
Mira qué chulo nos ha quedado. ¿Cuál es el hotel?
El hotel aquí.
Bueno, que he comprado